Remember, India Today broke this first early this morning that Sheikh Shah Jahan, the 53-year-old TMC strongman leader, finally arrested right now on the issue of the attack on ED officials on the 5th of January. Remember, but the bigger concern remains, was a horrific exploitation network running in Sandesh Khale. Indrajit Kundu joins me on the latest on that. Indrajit, while the TMC has been said, look, we've finally done it. We were always ready to arrest him, but on charges so serious, we have ensured he's behind bars for now. But the BJP, interestingly, has said this is a mere eyewash. It is on the ED attack charges, and that is lighter than what was happening in Sandesh Khale.
Well, Pooja, you would see full-fledged politics playing out over the issue as it has been over the past few weeks. The BJP, of course, the principal opposition party, has gone hammer and tongs against the Mamata Banerjee government over the issue. We've seen how multiple BJP leaders have visited Sandesh Khale. And even as I speak today, Shubhendu Adhikari, after he got clearance from the Calcutta High Court, will once again attempt to visit Sandesh Khale. Will he be allowed to enter Sandesh Khale today? That's the big question. Shubhendu Adhikari, of course, said that he would be going to Jelia Khale today. This at a time when Sheikh Shah Jahan has been arrested. Now, look at the chronology of events. There was a time a few weeks back when Mamata Banerjee, the chief minister, defended Shahjahan Sheikh on the floor of the assembly, West Bengal assembly, saying that the ED and the BJP were targeting Sheikh Shah Jahan. From there, there's a complete U-turn with Trinamool second-in-command Abhishek Banerjee coming out 3 days back and stating that it was because of the court's restraining order that the West Bengal police could not act. And therefore, if such a restraining order is not in place, the West Bengal police will act and will act within 10 days' time, because he said that, look, Sudipto Sen, who was the main accused in the Sharda Cheat Fund scam, he was arrested by the West Bengal CID from Jammu and Kashmir. So wherever they are, in which part of the country, he will be arrested. And within 72 hours of Abhishek Banerjee coming out and making that public statement, the West Bengal police has been able to arrest Sheikh Shah Jahan. And therefore, what the opposition is now stating, both the CPIM and the BJP, that look, he was given shelter by the West Bengal state administration and the police, and that's the reason why just when the green signal came from the state administration and the ruling Trinamool Congress, Shahjahan Sheikh has been arrested. It is also political expediency, Pooja, because tomorrow Prime Minister Narendra Modi would be landing in West Bengal, and make no mistake, this is going to be a hot political topic this election season, and the Trinamool Congress doesn't want to give that brownie point to the BJP.
But does it end for the TMC also, Indrajit? I'm sure you'll be tracking that with the arrest, does the matter end there? Or, of course, the political showdown will also escalate. What else? What next will Mamata Banerjee do as the Chief Minister of Bengal? Stay on with me, Indrajit, because remember, while a lot of reactions have come, specifically from the TMC saying that action will be taken, but earlier, Mamata Banerjee, even Abhishek Banerjee, had earlier defended the strongman leader. They had said the BJP, the ED are deliberately going after Sheikh Shah Jahan because he's from the TMC.
আপনারা জানেন জীবনে আমি কোনো অন্যায়কে কোনোদিন প্রশ্রয় দিই
5ই জানুয়ারি যে ঘটনাটা ঘটেছিল, যেখানে ইডি আধিকারিকদের উপর হামলা চালানো হয়েছিল বলে তারা অভিযোগ করেছিল এবং তারাই এফআইআর করেছিল, ইডির আধিকারিকরা। সেখানে কলকাতা হাইকোর্টের মাননীয় বিচারপতি জয় সেনগুপ্তর বেঞ্চ একটি অর্ডার দেয় যে একটা এসআইটি তৈরি হবে, যেখানে রাজ্য প্রশাসন, রাজ্য পুলিশের একজন কর্তা থাকবে, প্রতিনিধি থাকবে, এবং সিবিআই এর একজন প্রতিনিধি থাকবে, এবং স্পেশাল ইনভেস্টিগেটিং টিম তৈরি হবে এসআইটি, যেটা সন্দেশখালী ঘটনাটা ইনভেস্টিগেট করে যাতে দোষীরা শাস্তি পায় তার সুব্যবস্থা করবে। খুব সম্ভবত 10-12 দিন পরে ইডি অ্যাপিল করে মাননীয় হাইকোর্টের প্রধান বিচারপতির বেঞ্চে অ্যাপিল করে তারা স্টে চায়, এবং ইডির অ্যাপিল অনুযায়ী কলকাতা হাইকোর্টের প্রধান বিচারপতির বেঞ্চ সেই স্টে মঞ্জুর করে। স্টে মানে ইনভেস্টিগেশন হবে না, স্টে মানে কাউকে অ্যারেস্ট করা যাবে না। এটা কে করেছে? মমতা বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায়। এটা করেছে হাইকোর্টের বিচারপতি। হাইকোর্ট যদি বিচার ব্যবস্থা যদি রাজ্য পুলিশ প্রশাসনের হাত পা বেঁধে দেয়, এফআইআর স্থগিত করে দেয়, তাহলে পুলিশ অ্যারেস্ট করবে কোত্থেকে?
আপনারা জানেন জীবনে আমি কোনো অন্যায়কে কোনোদিন প্রশ্রয় দিইনি, এবং আমি ইনিশিয়েটিভ নিয়ে স্টেট কমিশন পাঠিয়েছি, আমাদের অ্যাডমিনিস্ট্রেশন পাঠিয়েছি, 17 জনকে অ্যারেস্ট করা হয়েছে, এবং আপনারা দেখেছেন যারা মুখে মাস্ক পরে পরে ছবি তুলছে, ধরাও পড়েছে বিজেপির কর্মী, কিভাবে তারা বাইরে থেকে নিয়ে এসে একটা এলাকাকে অশান্ত করার চেষ্টা করেছে। আগে টার্গেট শেখ শাহজাহান, ওকে টার্গেট করে ইডি ঢুকলো, তারপরে সবাইকে বার করে দিয়ে তারপরে ওখানে আদিবাসী মাইনরিটিদের মধ্যে ঝগড়া লাগিয়ে দিল।
So reminding you that the first case against Sheikh Shah Jahan of the TMC in Bengal was of the public ration distribution scam case, for which the ED officials went for a search. They were brutally attacked by the supporters on 5th of January. That is the reason he's arrested right now. But the bigger case also emerging against him was from Sandesh Khali village. And I want to take you through that report to remember what the survivors with those charges and allegations have said about Sheikh Shah Jahan and his men. Women we spoke to in Sandesh Khali has said they were selectively picked up from their home, they were held hostage, sexually assaulted and much worse. Shweta Singh on the ground gets us this report.
In West Bengal, 75 kilometers from the capital Kolkata, a village making national headlines ahead of the Lok Sabha elections. Sandesh Khali, where women shield their faces when cameras approach. Where the opposition BJP claims to have been barred from entry, a stronghold of the Trinamool Congress. Where Trinamool strongman Shahjahan Sheikh and his supporters